You've been told your belly fat is a calorie problem, that you just need to move more. That is a lie. Your body isn't lazy, it's under siege. While you're counting steps, there is a hidden villain inside your abdomen, a congested liver that has literally locked your fat cells. Today, I'm going to show you the exact biological blueprint that forces your liver to stop hoarding fat. But pay attention, because one healthy mistake you're making every night is resetting your progress back to zero. Think of your liver as the ultimate filter, but when it's toxified, it produces a sludge that blocks your system. Inside your belly, there's an enzyme called LPL. Think of LPL as a security guard standing outside your fat cells. When your liver's clean, the guard opens the door to let fat out to be burned. But when your liver's congested, the guard gets a panic signal. Lock the doors, store everything. This is why your gym sessions aren't working. The doors are literally shut from the inside. To unlock these doors, we have to clear the internal rust that's jamming the gears. First, every morning, you need the citrus salt primer. 500 milliliters, around 2 glasses of warm water, half a lemon, and a pinch of sea salt. The citric acid acts like a biological power wash for your liver's P450 enzymes, the internal cleaning crew that has been sleeping on the job. Next, we trigger the fat-melting flow. Your body uses a special liquid to dissolve fat, but if that liquid is thick and stagnant, your fat stays stuck. Instead of expensive pills, you just need bitter activators with your lunch. Simple things like dark leafy greens, or even a shot of apple cider vinegar. These are the hidden biological buttons that force your system to flush out the gunk that's been blocking your progress for years. You just successfully hacked your own biology and bypassed a billion-dollar weight loss industry that wanted you to keep you guessing. You now possess the master key that most experts don't even know exists. But wait, even if you can do the flush perfectly, one aggressive mistake will kill your progress instantly. Most people think a glass of fruit juice or a healthy late-night snack is fine. It's not. Liquid fructose is the liver's greatest enemy. It bypasses every safety check in your body and goes straight to the liver, where it flips the fat storage switch to the on position. Doing this at night is like pouring gasoline on a fire. It creates a backdoor hack that tells your LPL guard to stay on high alert for the next 24 hours. If you eat fructose after 8 p.m., you aren't just eating calories, you are signing a contract to keep your belly fat for another week. You now know the secret that 90% of people will never understand about their own biology. But detoxifying your liver is only half the battle. If your insulin is high, the bouncer might be gone, but the fat is still glued to your organs. Dropping your insulin is the final step to melting that visceral fat forever. Watch this video next to learn the fastest way to drop insulin in 24 hours, and I'll see you there.